My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station here in my home here. It's not a false background. It's actually my home. I just want to go ahead and let you know I've worked at IRS for 10 long years. I'm a national expert. I've worked thousands of cases, and I want to talk to you today about the LT11 notice. The LT11 notice and the IRS 1058 notice are kind of the same. One is the revenue officer sends one out. That means your case is in the local office. That's tough because they're on to you right away. The LT11 means that's it. You have your collection due process rights in your hearings, and boom, IRS is on you just like that. So all the guns from IRS is coming out on you when you get this LT11 notice. IRS went through their mandatory 5 notices, starting with the basic notice to the 504 to these two, and boom, they're coming. So they will. Four things can happen. They'll file a federal tax lien. They can send out a bank levy, a wage garnishment levy, and they can take your passport. I just want you to know all those four things can happen with these notes. You're at the end of the IRS rope. How do you stop this? You can actually stop it today. You can call IRS, but I wouldn't if I were you, unless you know what IRS is going to do when you call them, because once you call them, give them your information, you can't back out of that information. If you don't have anything at all, you have very little money, you can't pay nothing, you got jack in the bank, no equity, you can go ahead and call them. There's no damage in that. But if you have money in the bank, you have equity in your home, you have a pension, stuff like that, you shouldn't be calling them, because IRS can wreak havoc. And you're like, what people do not understand is IRS needs to close the case. Most likely they close cases with payment agreements. The payment agreement that you think that you're going to make may be able to make what IRS wants are two different things, because IRS has what's called a national standard program. Look it up if you want to find out what they're going to allow in your case. Look up IRS national standards. You'll see them for food and clothing, housing and utility, car payments, car expenses, medical. So IRS doesn't care what you have, they're going to put theirs in. So if you have a serious problem and you need representation, give me a call, but make sure, if you can, all your returns are filed. And like I said, this is the last notice you're going to get before the guns all fire at you. Call me if you need me. Thank you so much for your ear today. I try to get in and out in less than 3 minutes. Please go to my website. I am a national expert. I've been on the national news many times. Thank you so much.